Hello guys. The only reason why I'm using a different LPS is can't find can't can't find I can't find her. Besides that, we're gonna be opening some we're gonna be showing some toys today. I got them from I got them from Rule King. Here comes the first two toys. Got these two baby tigers. They're whatever this word says. Yeah. Got two of them. They have blue eyes, in case you cannot tell. Focus. Focus. Looks like it's not gonna focus, but okay. Got these two.
How many lights do you have on?
Here are the next two. Got these tigers. They have yellow eyes and their mouth is open. They look exactly the same. Yay! Then I got this wolf that I love. It's white. It's a winter wolf. I love it. It's gonna be used in my wolf series that I'm making. Then we also got some num nums. Yay! Oops. Yay! I have to get this one is let's figure out which one this is. Oh, and it's series 2. Season 2 anyways. Whoa, there's a lot to collect. I got I got cherry cheesecake. Wait, no, I didn't. I don't know which one I got. Wait, I got berry cheesecake. Yeah, I got berry cheesecake, and then I got this one. I believe it's lime. Yeah. Then I got banana split, and then cherry. I think this is cherry. This is like so short. I got banana split. Yeah, I got banana split. And then I got this little, I think it's cherry. Yeah, I got cherry. Blop. Now it's time for dun 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 dun. I also got this at Roll King, so let me open it and then I'll show you what came in it. Okay, so first off, it came with this big dog. Yeah. And then it came with this puppy. Then this puppy. Then this little puppy. Then, this white puppy. This completely white dog. I mean, puppy. Then this little, brown puppy. Then it came with this white and brown puppy. So in total, it came with 5 puppies. Then it came with this little water dish, I believe. And then this little bowl of kibble. Yeah. Well, that's all for today. So, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!